Hi everyone, my name is Diana Garcia. I am the tutoring coordinator here at Breakthrough Silicon Valley. Thank you so much for watching this video. It'll be just a quick summary of the orientation packet. I first of all want to let you know what Breakthrough Silicon Valley is if you don't know already. Breakthrough Silicon Valley is a program that serves first-generation students from 7th grade all the way up until 12th grade. We offer multiple resources, and one of those resources is academic support. Which is why you are here, right? We need tutors in order to support our students with the subjects that they are having difficulty with. I do want to clarify that all of the tutoring sessions will be completely virtual, specifically through the platform Zoom, which I'm hoping you all are all familiar with. So expectations for session number 1. Actually backtracking a little bit. The total required sessions for students is 5. So in the past, the minimum requirement were 3 sessions, but we felt like that wasn't enough time. So we've bumped it up to 5 sessions. Each student, when they sign up for tutoring, they need to agree that they need to complete a minimum of 5 sessions with their tutor. So during the first session, students should bring the last 2 to 3 assignments per test or subject. Students and tutors will come up with 5 topics or concepts to go over the course of the fall semester by the end of session 1. That is your goal. And lastly, you want to review and identify what the student struggles with or does not understand well. Recently, we've implemented some changes. And we've created something that's the tutoring ticket system, and that is a process for tutors to alert Breakthrough staff of special needs, issues, or concerns that they might have about their students. So I'm going to show you very quickly what that form looks like. It will be attached in the email that I will be sending out as well. This is what it looks like. So it's the student's first name, last name, the grade, right? The name of the tutor, their email, the subject, and most importantly, these indicators. So if your student is arriving late more than 2 times for 10 minutes or more, that is a red flag, and we want to make sure that we know that. If your student is repeatedly failing to submit school assignments on time or failing to complete tasks or assignments that you've been given to them, that is also a red flag, and we want to make sure that this is being communicated with their advisor, okay? And just down the list, struggling with time management. If there's a sudden drop of interest, like we need to know those things, and so we're counting on you to let us know, right? I do want to clarify that this is not a form that you need to fill out for every tutoring session. This is only if you feel like your student is falling under any of these boxes, okay? And then secondly, the biweekly grade check policy. So tutors and students are required to have a biweekly grade check-in. The first 5 to 10 minutes should be allocated specifically for this. So again, there will be an Excel sheet linked in the email where you will have access to your students' first name, last name, the school that they attend, and the initial grade that they came in with will be pre-filled. So if they came in with a B-, you will see that reflected in the Excel sheet. Now, it is your responsibility along with the students to have a conversation about their grade and make sure that you are putting that on the Excel sheet. So if the student has a 75% or a B-, whatever the case may be, because right now, it's a little weird with grades. Just make sure that you are putting down something in order for us to track their progress. Okay? This is just an example of what it may look like. And yeah, thank you so much again for watching the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. My email is dgarcia@breakthroughtsv.org. Thank you for your time, and I will talk to you soon.